Swim and sail on savage seas, with ne'er a fear of drowning, and gladly ride the waves of life if you would marry me. No scorching sun, no freezing cold will stop me on my journey. And if you promise me your heart
and love me for eternity, my dearest one, my darling dear, your mighty words astound me. But I've no need of mighty deeds when I feel your arms around me.
I will give you rings of gold, I'll even sing you poetry, and I will keep you from all harm if you will stand beside me.
I have no use for rings of gold, I cannot for you poetry. I only want your hand to hold,
I only want you near me, to love, to kiss, to sweetly hold, for the dancing and the dreaming, all our sorrows and delights. I'll keep your love inside me. I'll swim and sail on savage seas with near fear of drowning, gladly ride the waves of life if you